Hello, my name is Adelaide Nenguke and welcome to Regaining Your Confidence After Trauma. So today we are actually going to be looking at clarity. Often when people suffer trauma, when people have experienced traumatic events that will have left them broken, left them in a place where they are feeling so much pain, they go through a lot of emotions. You find that some individuals tend to actually numb the pain. They try to forget the event. They try to put blinders so that they do not think about the pain and they move on forward with their lives. It is actually easy to do this, to suppress the event, not to think about it. You numb yourself, but this is actually a very bad behavior, as it will result in a lot of negative emotions arising. It is actually very hard for you to realize what is hurting you when you've actually put yourself in a position where you have numbed all these experiences. It is important to understand your why. Ask yourself, why am I feeling this way? What is causing me to go through all these emotions? Start reflecting on the things that might have happened before that might have triggered this pain, that might have triggered the experiences, the emotions that you will be going through. You need to really understand your story. Understand what hurt you. You need to walk through that story. You need to think about it. It is very important to know the story, to understand what caused you to come to this position where you feel broken, where you feel helpless, where you feel you cannot move on, where you have actually lost your confidence, your self-esteem. You are not able to move forward without being angry, without having anxiety. Know your story. It is very important to know what is causing you pain. Remember, healing is a process. There is no time scale. So take your time. Take each day as it comes. It is a continuous development. Why don't you join me in the next episode of Regaining Your Confidence After Trauma?